How to change your T-Mobile router IP address. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the IP address on your T-Mobile router quickly and easily. If your T-Mobile router isn't connecting properly, has IP conflicts, or you want to set a custom network configuration, changing the router's IP can solve it. You might notice slow connections or devices not accessing the internet. Don't worry, I'll show you the steps to safely change your router's IP address. Now, let's tackle the problem. Step 1. Access your router's admin panel. Open a web browser on a device connected to your T-Mobile network. Type your router's default gateway IP, usually 192.168.12.1, or check the label on your router, into the address bar and press Enter. Log in using your admin username and password, often found on the router or in your setup guide. Step 2. Navigate to LAN or network settings. Once logged in, find the LAN settings or network settings section in the admin panel. This is where you can see and edit your router's local IP address. Step 3. Change the router IP address. Enter the new IP address you want for your router, for example, 192.168.1.1. Make sure it's in the same subnet as your network devices to avoid connection issues. Avoid using an IP that's already assigned to another device. It can cause conflicts. Step 4. Save and reboot the router. After the router restarts, reconnect all your devices using the new IP if needed. Check that internet access is working and there are no conflicts with other devices on your network. And that's it. Your T-Mobile router now has a new IP address and should work smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick networking tips.